Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a roll-in, spin-out chest catch. This combines the technique of a chest catch, a roll-in chest catch, and a chest spin. So I'll put links to those in the description below. Assuming you've got those in your repertoire, you're going to be ready for one of these. It's the same technique, a little bit harder to pull off. We'll show you how it works. It goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's break it down. It starts off with a Wurlitzer. In fact, I'll do it from this side initially. It starts off like you're doing a Wurlitzer. You go back, you flatten the left, you send the lady out. The guys are going to back up, and just like the roll-in chest catch, we're going to spin the lady towards us, but instead of just getting in the way, we have to set ourselves up to try and get the lady's hand over our left shoulder. Okay, not going for the center. So as the lady comes round, the lady looks like she's going for the middle. The guy brings his body over, so she ends up on the left. So we set that up, guys. The lady doesn't know what we've got planned. She can't expect to kind of have to guess it. So from here, we then set up the compression we did before. So we're going to go back, we're going to go forwards, we're going to go back. And as we go back the second time, guys, we're going to rotate the chest to the left so that as we come forwards, we can rotate sharply to the right to bring our left shoulder forwards quickly to give the lady a nice push to get the spin. If you want to make the noise at the same time, entirely up to you. Lady's coming around. She's actually going to have a little bit of energy away from us. So on this occasion, we're going to catch in the left, get out of the way to the left, and then do a traveling return to finish, and we're done. So same thing from this side. We'll talk numbers. We go back 1, flat 2, preparation 3, we spin in 4 and catch 5. We're going to go back 6, forward 7, back 8, spin through 1, catch 2, over the top 3, and look 4. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, roll in, chest spin out. It's a back, flat, away, spin and catch, backwards, forwards, prep, spin, catch, over the top, and stop. And that's the whole thing. Hope you find that one useful out on the dance floor. And if you ever need to teach it, you're never going to get that many words in, so you're always going to have to shorten it. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Music recommendation on the end, as always. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.